The Unified Payments Interface platform recorded its highest ever monthly transaction volumes of 1.34 billion in June, jumping back to pre-COVID-19 levels. This surge is due to the economic activity resuming and a focus on digital payments. UPI had seen 1.32 billion transactions in February before the virus outbreak in India. The number of transactions recorded were at about 1,000 million, worth rupees 1.51 lakh crore in April, the first full month after the announcement of the lockdown that halted almost all services except essentials. Online payments slowly gathered pace from May with staggered opening of the economy. In May, the number of UPI transactions stood at 1.23 billion, valued at rupees 2.13 lakh crore as per the National Payments Corporation of India, which manages UPI. NPCI was incorporated in 2008 as an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India. NPCI has created a robust payment and settlement infrastructure in the country. It facilitates payments through a banquet of retail payment products such as RuPay Card, Immediate Payment Service, UPI, Bharat Interface for Money, Bhim Aadhaar, National Electronic Toll Collection, and Bharat Bill Pay. NPCI also launched UPI 2.0 to offer more secure and comprehensive services to consumers and merchants. Coming back to June, the transactions in value terms were to the tune of rupees 2.61 lakh crore compared to rupees 2.22 lakh crore in February. The recovery in June was led by increased payments for essentials, medicines and grocery shopping along with bill payments through Bharat Bill Pay, which saw over 17 million transactions worth almost rupees 2,970 crore. NPCI CEO Dilip Asbe has told media that he hopes that the economic activity in the country and top cities shall continue, which may help to drive the growth in digital payments in the coming months. He has also indicated in media reports that NPCI is working with the government to review the zero merchant rate discount or MDR on UPI and RuPay, and a reasonable charge will drive ecosystem investments into these homegrown payment systems. Transactions through IMPS has also seen a recovery. Though they are not back at pre-COVID-19 levels, June saw almost 199 million transactions worth rupees 2.06 lakh crore compared to nearly worth rupees 2.14 lakh crore in February. Remember, the government had made MDR, a fee to facilitate the payments, zero earlier this year, upsetting most of the ecosystem. The digital payment industry has noted the jump in transactions. PhonePe co-founder and CEO Sameer Nigam has told media that surge is driven both by the fact that offline and online merchants across most parts of the country have now opened up, as well as the record number of recharges and bill payments driven by the increase in new users we have seen over the last 3 months.